Hey everyone! Today we're diving into GTmetrix, your go-to tool for testing and boosting your website's performance. Let's get started. Simply enter your website URL on GTmetrix, and it does the rest. Look at those scores, page speed and why slow. Check out the detailed report. See what's slowing down your site and get ready to optimize. A faster website means happier users and better SEO. GTmetrix pinpoints areas to improve, ensuring your site is top-notch. Waterfall chart, optimization tips, and historical data. GTmetrix has it all. It's like a performance superhero for your website. Optimize images, minify CSS and JavaScript. Easy steps to make a huge impact on your site's speed. Ready to turbocharge your website? Test it now with GTmetrix. Don't forget to comment your results. Visit GTmetrix.com and start your speed journey today. Thank you again for being part of the Martech Novera family. Let's keep this journey of discovery and innovation rolling together.